Hello, Namaste. Welcome to everyone in this online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Me, Kushilal Mahto, on the subject of English grammar, class 9 and 10. Today, as previously, we are going to study some of the types of the tense which were remained previously. So, my dear friends, let's enter towards future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense means the tense which will be completed at some point of time in future. Once again, tense means the action or the verb, which will be completed in some point of time. Completed in some point of time in future is called future perfect tense. Why the topics can be clear, what it means to tell. Okay, so let's see use of verb, where we use the future tense or the verbs, how the verb will be used. With first persons I we use shall or will, will, will. Okay, and with all the singular as well as plural subject means second person, third person, and other use noun pronoun we use will, and letters there seems to be have plus V3 plus object. Okay, so have plus V3. Now my dear students, let's see use of future perfect tense, where we use future perfect tense. Okay, so use of future perfect tense. Here we use future perfect tense with the adverbs like future, adverbs, words, by the time, by the next, and so on. By the next week, he will have visited Pokhara. Okay, next we use before plus simple present, future perfect tense. Let's see, the train will have left the station by or before. Okay, students, here we may mention by the time again or by next, by the time they reach. Okay, so my dear students, here whatever is mentioned here, same will be mentioned here, but the matter is why the next is in beginning, here is at the mid. Okay, next we use letters B, E, F, R before. Like, let's see the example. They will have run before the police come. Okay, so These two uses are of future perfect tense. Okay, so now let's interest towards the structures of future perfect tense. So the structures, according to the structures, the subject plus, shall will plus, have plus, V3 plus, object. So let's see the affirmative structures or positive structures of future perfect tense. Shall will plus, have plus, V3 plus, object. You may take one any examples and may mention in each of the conversions of the structures of future perfect tense. We can reveal the examples. They will have settled in America by 2021. They will have settled in America by 2021. You may insert in each of the structures whatever am I going to write on the board. Okay, students. Negative. Subject plus, shall will plus, not plus, have plus, V3 plus, object. Okay, same on. They will not have settled in America. Okay, yes, no, positive. Yes, no, positive, interrogative. Okay, so let's hear. Shall will plus, subject plus, have plus, V3 plus, object plus, question mark. Means here we can reveal who or will they have settled in America, question mark. Okay, yes, no, negative. Shall will plus, subject plus, not plus, have plus, V3 plus, object plus, question mark. Later we can reveal will they not have settled in America, question mark. Okay, WH question, positive or affirmative. Okay, later WH word plus shall will plus here who will have been or who will have visited, who will have settled in America means object plus question mark. My dear student, the structures may be different according to the arising the questions. Okay, if you use WHO who with this the sentence, then of course this structure is right. But if you want to hide the subject and want to arise the object, then these the structures may not be more appropriate. The structures will be wrong. Okay, WH questions negative. WH word plus, shall will plus, not plus, have plus, V3 plus, object plus, question mark. So who will not have settled in America? The questions will be asked and the answers will be they will not have settled in America. Okay, so we completed future perfect tense. Let's interest towards future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense use of verb. With first person we use shall will. Later the structures have plus been plus before, and with second person, third person, singular, plural, as well as others fuller subject. Will plus have means with others we use will. Okay, use of future perfect continuous tense. If we compare with other tenses, then of course there is the less use of future perfect continuous tense. Let's see here the by the time plus future perfect continuous tense plus for da da da. In such the condition we use future perfect continuous tense. If we insert in such, then we can be reveal that by the time they will have been, by the time they are, he will have been teaching in this school for 7 years. Okay, let's see the structures of future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus shall will plus have plus been plus before plus object is the positive, whereas negative after modal verb, if we add not, it will be changes into negative. Let's interest toward the yes no positive, yes no negative, WH positive and WH negative. So let's interest towards yes no positives of future perfect continuous tense. If yes no question is a start, then of course we have to think that it will take the help of auxiliary verb. So shall will plus subject plus been plus before plus object plus question mark will be the structures, yes no structures of future perfect continuous tense, whereas yes no negative, direct not can be used after subject or direct not can be used after modal auxiliary verb. Other will be written same on WH questions positive. Okay, so WH question positive, WH words where the sentence will start with what, where, whom, where, how. Okay, yes no questions, shall will plus have plus been plus before plus object plus question mark. Actually I have mentioned these structures with the questions arising with WHO, not for where, how and when. Okay, same on, if we add not between shall will plus have, then of course it will be negative. So yes no questions negative of future perfect continuous tense. My dear students, you have to trust the English grammars, maximum read mode publications, and you may touch all those exercises. Now I am going to stop it here. Thank you.